In this AI Profit Payday review, we're going to be looking at a software that's claiming that it's a two-click AI automated system that transfers them $321 per hour. The more they sleep, the more they earn. We're going to be taking a look at what this actually is and what this isn't. Make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to take a look at AI Profit Payday, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Okay, last thing before we jump in, I just want to show you my bonus page. I do have a bunch of extra bonuses that you will get if you decide that this is right for you and you purchase through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, this is going to be fun. It says AI Profit Payday. Every time someone browses the internet, we get paid. Two-click AI automated system transfers us $321.73 per hour. The more we browse, the more we earn. It's all possible by exploiting an untapped $235 billion opportunity. No domain, no website, no coding, no ads, no hosting, no waiting, no BS. So here's the thing I want to tell you. There's nothing out there that's going to pay you $321 an hour by browsing the internet. That's not what this is about at all. I'm going to show you what it's about inside this review. There's an upgrade here. We can add in $88 an hour multi-language edition. I don't know, add some languages in it. But yeah, I just want you to know that this doesn't exist. Like this right here is made up. If this is a screenshot, this might be from their Warrior Plus or their affiliate marketing stuff. It has nothing to do with this product. And this right here, these are commissions that they've gotten doing some other stuff, but nothing to do with this product. Again, nothing to do with this product, nothing to do with this product. The more they browse, the more we profit. Browse once, $55. Browse 5 times, $225. Browse 10 times. Browse 20 times, $1,000. Like it doesn't work. It sounds great. All these different testimonial beta testers, these look very, very fake. Gilda E, Campbell C, Jessa U, Arturo John R. It's all like not real. These balances, verified earnings, verified from this, no. So just no, like this right here, these look very, very fake. Access, browse, profit. It's not going to happen, guys. I know we want these things to happen. I know that it sounds good, but it's just way too good to be true. Like if it's too good to be true, then don't believe it. Like this is all made up here. Day 1 of testing, 77. Day 2, 180. Day 3, 421. Oh my goodness. No, it's not going to happen. Anyways, if we go down here to the bottom, if you decide to purchase, you get access to the software. And again, I'm going to show you what that is in a second. One thing I do want to show you is if you do decide that you're going to purchase, if you move your mouse away, you can get a discount on it by like doing that. And there, you can still add this on if you want, but just be aware of that. I make lists as an affiliate by showing you that. So please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, let me play you a video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back and show you what it really is and the OTOs and discounts.
Hey, what if we did the posting for you? We've been quietly generating an average of $10,000 per month with this powerful system, and we're offering to set it up for you so you can simply plug, press play, and profit. How would you like all the work done for you while you generate huge commissions completely hands-free? You'll be able to start collecting payments on 100% autopilot without a single effort. First of all, we'd love to give you a massive thanks for taking action. You'll soon be able to access Post and Earn and start getting oodles of free traffic and sales. And although I know you're excited, before you continue any further, I kindly ask you to pay close attention to this super short message. Let us make one thing clear. Now, while you can take Post and Earn and apply it immediately, there may be a problem. You'll need to configure your Post and Earn account. Getting everything set up and ready to rake in the money is not hard. It can take a little bit of time, especially if you've never done it before. And if you wanted to, you could in fact do that and start profiting. Though this can lead to a majority of you just letting this sit on your hard drive to collect virtual dust. After all, how many products have you bought and never taken action on because you're afraid they might not work? We've all been there. Buy a product, get excited, and then do nothing with it. It's a massive mistake that leads to frustration, disappointment, and becoming disheartened with the whole make money online space. You're not alone if you've ever felt that. That's why you need to tap into this hands-free system to beat that vicious cycle right here and now. So let me ask you, What if you didn't have to set up your Post and Earn account? What if you didn't have to do any work? What if we did the work for you so you could get paid instantly with Post and Earn? Well, now you can, thanks to Post and Earn Done For You. With Post and Earn Done For You, we're going to do all the work for you, so you won't have to waste your time setting everything up. Instead, let us do it for you, so you can skip straight to the profits. If you'd like to make $97 to $297 every time we post for you, then this is what you need. Here's how it works. Step 1. Click any of the buy buttons on this page to lock in a spot for Post and Earn DFY. Please note, we are only able to take in 10 people, so be quick. The early bird gets the worm here. Step 2. Let us fine-tune your account to perfection. This will ensure it's optimized with the best settings possible. And Step 3. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the sight of endless profits and free traffic. Yes, this works like gangbusters. And back to my words, I'd like to show you some proof. This is Eric J. from Brampton, Canada, who made $3,239.09 with the Post and Earn DFY setup. There's also Elsa A. from Stockholm, Sweden, who profited nearly $4,000 with the Post and Earn DFY setup. And to finish it off, we have Brian from Milwaukee, United States, who earned a total of $2,654.33. Impressive, right? You can be the next success story too. But that's only if you upgrade to Post and Earn Done For You. Here's the deal with this offer. If you're interested in us doing the work for you, you must act now, because this will be strictly available to only 10 individuals. Our team can only handle so many DFY setups at once, so this isn't any kind of fake scarcity to get you to buy quicker. Once these 10 spots are gone, we can't take you in. So it's best for you to act right now. Now, you have two options. Option number 1, you could set up on your own. Do the task by yourself. There's nothing wrong with doing it this way, but it can take some time. Option number 2, sit back, relax, and let us do all the work. Let us do it for you. We'll take care of the entire setup for you and make it really easy. Just take the plunge. Remember, this will quickly pay for itself, and you have nothing to lose with our 365-day money-back guarantee. With that being said, click the button below right now to get Post and Earn Done For You.
site creator. So you can go in here, you can make these little sites, see some actual examples, and you can monetize them and add content and build an email list. It's actually kind of neat. Like that's useful. You can have your site pages, blog campaigns, and create blog campaigns, blog articles. You can add your different articles in there, add in advertisements, manage your subscribers, all this stuff. Like that's a useful thing. But you're not browsing and making that money like they're claiming on the sales page. I don't see any of that. Anyways, there are multiple upgrades. First one is unlimited. You can move your mouse away and get a discount on this one. Again, I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Then they've got another one here where they'll set it up for you. Move your mouse away and get a $100 discount. Got another one where you can turn your $1,000 paydays into $3,000 paydays. I don't know how they're going to do that, but anyways, you can get a discount if you move your mouse away. They've got another one where you can unlock the power of banking $491 every hour. How's that going to happen? Move your mouse away and get a discount. Then they've got another one where you can get traffic, move your mouse away and get a discount. Another one where you can get their affiliate funnels, move your mouse away and get a discount. Then we've got something called a quick cash magnet. You can get a discount if you move your mouse away. Then you can get resale rights to sell this and keep the money. Move your mouse away and get a discount. And the last one is a bunch of the different products. Move your mouse away and get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I think about AI Profit Payday? What do I like and what I don't like about it? I don't like a lot of things about this. It's really misleading and telling people that you're going to be transferring, like it transfers them $321 per hour. The more they sleep, the more they earn. It's nothing like that. This is just a software that creates like websites, and that's it. What do I like about it? If you are looking for a software that does what I showed you, that creates like little sites and you can monetize them and you can add content to them and it's hosted by them, if that's what you're looking for, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my AI Profit Payday review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.